भी रूहानी सलाह से ले आ लिया हो, any spiritual school of thought, कोई भी anywhere from any religion, the basic thing is that you don't ask questions, you just do it. It's a because all the spiritual यानी कि scriptures या ये क्या कह लो, the holy books, basically the main holy books, उसके अंदर ये है कि it is everything is based on commands. It's a command, and command does not need an explanation. Command cannot be questioned. Command का जो कानून है, command cannot be questioned, and command जो है क्या कहते हैं उसके साथ साथ जो है वो बस सुनना होता है. You just need to listen to the command and do it. There is no questions, no taglines to it, no ifs and buts and whys and nots. This is how commandments work. If you're a good listener, you will succeed, you will excel in spirituality. If you are a good listener, if you can listen. And the other thing is that because of that listening at certain times, you will have to make certain decisions at that time. होता है क्योंकि एक टाइम आता है रूहानियत में कि ये नहीं कि they test you, yes, and they do test you, they test you, and that is the time where it's crucial कि what you decide. That's your decision, because eventually तो सोच की आज़ादी है. There's freedom of thoughts, you can think whatever you want to. ये चीज़ है. But commandment का ये कि there is no strings attached, there is no question asked to it. That's it. It's just to do it, and there is no explanation for a command. A command has to be listened to. ठीक है.